Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. This is PR Reddy and I'm excited to announce that I'm starting MLOps Practitioner Training program on coming Jan 18th, 2025. Please do check the description of this video to get more details about the demo link, the course index, course tracker and all other information. It's been 12 years now I'm into the training and now I'm excited to train the machines. Yes, you heard it right. The machines are part of the life. Nowadays, we need to train the machines and the machines are helping us back in solving some of the real-time problems. Here I would like to extend a bit of conversation to understand why the machines needs to be trained and how the machines are helping us back. I have a loan application recommendation system. Think of like how the loan processing was there years back. If you wanted to apply for the loan, you take the piece of paper and fill up the application, submit the application to the sales engineer, then the application will be submitted to their managers, someone manually reviewing your application and validating, then it has to be approved or rejected, right? So the decision will be made by the managers. And I'm sure it will take at least a week of time to process your loan application. Nowadays, we have the machine learnings are up and running behind the screen to help this loan application system. Let's say I wanted to apply for the loan. I have the apply loan option here in my application. You fill up the details about your age, income, loan amount and other information and just click on apply for the loan. We don't need any human to be here to validate your information and take the decision. The machines are trained to take a decision whether the loan can be approved or can be rejected based on the information that you submitted here. That's how the machines are already trained. Now you see that in a seconds of time your loan status is rejected. So the overall 7 days of the processing time is now reduced to probably a seconds. That's where the machines are helping us to speed up the things and make the good accuracy as well compared to the human errors, right? How this system is working, how my machines are knowing that whether the loan can be rejected or can be approved. That's where it is trained. How do we train these machines? Let's say I have an example here, the investment advisor as well. Let's say I wanted to know what will be my good investment option, right? So I have submitted some of the details here and just click on recommendation system. The machines are now recommending me to go for the bonds. Let's say my risk levels are high. Now let's see what my machines are telling. Yo, the machines are telling to go for the equity. How the machines are knowing this, right? Yes, excited to learn more about how the machines are getting trained and how the MLOps engineers are helping here behind the screen to run these type of the machine learning applications. Yes, join us on Jan 18th for the demo to get more details about this course program and the information. Along with these kind of real-time projects, we are maintaining the course tracker to get more details about how the course is being conducted, the assignments and the couple of important links and the question tracker for you to fill up the questions and the questions will be get clarified. And here is the complete course content that will be get covered in this MLOps Practitioner Training program. You will be getting all these links in the description of this video. Going back to my presentation, you might be heard about DevOps, right? Yes. But how the MLOps is now different to the DevOps. We'll talk more details about the differences and how the MLOps is becoming the must skill nowadays, which will be inbuilt in using the DevOps lifecycle itself to process the machine learning applications as well with the different MLOps frameworks. Yes, we are going to talk about the data engineering team, machine learning engineering team, the dependencies with the DevOps as well, and quite few interesting new terminologies. And from the tools perspective, right, you might be already heard about some of the DevOps tools, and additional to that, now we need to learn some of the ML tools, which will be like Streamlit, TensorFlow, right, and Kubeflow, MLflow, etc. And what exactly MLOps is doing again, right? We already seen some of the demonstrated application, right? How the ML is working behind the screen. Yes, we'll be learning in detail about how the data engineering team, the machine learning engineering team, and MLOps teams are working together to make the process streamline, to how the models are trained, packaging, deployed, and the CI/CD pipelines. Yes, you heard it right. This is not CI/CD, it is CI/CD pipeline, a continuous training of pipelines that we are going to build for the ML applications, and see how we are going to deploy them and get the systems up and running. Yes. And from the learning perspective, right, we start with the ML basics and then the Python and the MLOps. Yes, we start with the ML basics, then the data engineering team basics, and we get started with the scratch from the Python basics and the Python advanced Python frameworks, and then the MLOps lifecycle frameworks, packaging, deployment, all other different tools that we have to support these different structures, and the CI/CD pipelines, right? That's where you become the MLOps engineer. Additional to that, we will be giving some weekly assignments, the capstone projects, supporting your placement related the guidance. That's where you will become the MLOps engineer professional, right? And yes, as I said, we'll be having some capstone projects to build your confidence in understanding how the machine learnings or the MLs are actually there to solve the real-time problems in the industry. And yes, it takes total 2 months of duration to have this complete training, start from the Python basics to the advanced ML operation tools. Additional to that, we are planning to give the self-paced videos as a bonus lectures for you guys on DevOps Practitioner Training program, as having some DevOps skills is a additional plus to the people who already know the MLOps, because we are going to incorporate the DevOps life cycles as well here to do these deployments into the Kubernetes clusters. Still have any questions? Join us for the demo on Jan 18th, 2025 to get more details, have the interaction with me and get the things clarified. Block your calendars. Thank you. See you on Jan 18th, 2025. Check the description of this video to get more details. Thank you.